Mama, would you change my bandage for me? You're so good at it.
The doctor's late.
It's 10 by 10, and it's already noon.
Sit down. You know, you look like you're wearing a turban. Last night, the delivery boy in the kitchen, he asked me what country you were from. Oh, look, it's all healed now. Nothing left but a scratch. Now you won't go bang bang again, will you? Once I'm gone?
No, Mama. I was crazy with despair. I guess I lost control for a minute. I won't do it again. You have magic hands. I remember one time, a while back, you were still working at the State Theater. I was just a little kid, and there was a fight out in the back of the building. Someone beat up one of the tenants. The laundry lady, remember? And he knocked her unconscious. You took care of her, got medicine for her, washed her kids in the bathtub. Don't you remember?
No.
There were two dancers living in the building. They used to stop by for coffee.
Yeah, I remember them.
You're both so religious. The last few days, I loved it the way I did when I was little. Totally, tenderly. Oh my God. Only there's that man. Always comes between us.
You simply don't understand him, Kostya. He's a very distinguished individual.
Maybe. Only he acts so distinguished why I tried to challenge him into a duel. He's leaving, running away.
He's leaving because I'm taking him with me. I know you're not happy about our relationship, but you're an intelligent young man, and I have the right to expect you to respect my choice.
Well, I do respect your choice, but you have to respect mine. And I chose to act for him the way I do. Some distinguished individual. Here we are, almost quarreling over him, and he's out in the garden right now, laughing at the both of us, twisting Nina's mind, trying to convince her he's a genius.
You love to annoy me, don't you? Why? Does it make you feel better?
Well, you want me to treat him like a genius? Well, excuse me, I can't lie. His body makes me sick.
That's just envy. You know, people with no talent and lots of pretensions, all they know how to do is attack anyone with real talent. Why? Does it make you feel better?
Real talent? I have more talent than all of you put together. You and those title friends of yours. You take away everything artistic. You think the only thing real and legitimate is yourselves. Anyone different, you try to shut them out. I respect any of you. I respect you and I respect him.
You signalist!
You could just go back to your precious theater and act in those cheap second-rate plays.
I have never acted in anything second-rate. Get away from me. You wouldn't even know how to begin to write a third-rate play. You're from Kiev, and you're middle class. You sponge! Amateur! Nobody! Stop crying. You mustn't... I'm such an awful mother.
You only knew. I've got nothing left. Doesn't work. I can't lie anymore. My hopes are gone.
You mustn't lose hope. Things will get better. He's leaving. I'm taking him away from here today. She'll be in love with you again. Come on. We're not mad at each other now anymore, aren't we?
No, Mama.
Good.